My son Andrew in 2001 was diagnosed with Duchenne muscular dystrophy, which is a terminal illness. We were able to meet with one of the top researchers of the country at Nationwide Children's Hospital. And then 5 years later, Andrew, was the first in the world to go through a dystrophin gene transfer. We are now in a building that is partially named after him for what has put us on the landmark for gene therapy. We're setting the stage and moving forward to be able to impact the world with the research based off of him, and we're like steamrolling ahead.
The origin of the name Andelyn is a very powerful statement, and it goes a long ways to describing what we value in our company. So Andelyn comes from two key patients in our history, Andrew and Evelyn. Andrew received an early muscular dystrophy treatment, and Evelyn received a clinical treatment for spinal muscular atrophy, and they are both very important patients to us.
Andrew and his family are true pioneers who embody the extraordinary courage and hope that families place in us at Nationwide Children's Hospital and in Andelyn to push the boundaries of scientific research and innovation in biotechnology.
The groundbreaking work that we're doing here at Andelyn in cell and gene therapy is taking our clients' molecules that they've developed which treat very rare diseases that were previously uncurative. And so we can develop and manufacture the drugs for them and take it on to commercialization.
Being born out of Nationwide Children's, we really brought that expertise from the hospital, from the Center for Gene Therapy, that we complemented with a lot of industry expertise in the meantime. And so we do believe we have a set of skills in-house with that foundational gene therapy knowledge and the industry knowledge that really, sets us up to be a leading player in the industry.
Andelyn is a very important partner, collaborator, and fellow innovator with us at Nationwide Children's. We foster together an environment where ideas can flourish and scientific discoveries can be translated into life-saving therapies.
We have a wide variety of clients. Some are in academics and nonprofits, others are large pharma or biotech companies, and they all have different needs. The majority of them will come to us with a gene of interest, and we will take that gene and we will develop the process around it, we will optimize it, we will scale it up, and then we will take it into clinical and ultimately commercial manufacturing.
Andelyn is a fully integrated end-to-end service provider, meaning that we can go all the way from all the raw materials that are needed to produce a gene therapy, such as the cell lines and the plasmids, do your preclinical development, your toxicology material, and then the material that you will need for the clinical trials, so the phase 1, phase 2, but also the phase 3, so the late stage material, and then all the way to commercial. And the big advantage is that you won't need to do any tech transfers. That will save you time and that will save you money as well.
So Andelyn has 3 different facilities dedicated for different uses. We have our Andelyn Development Center located in Dublin that is devoted to all of our research and development and research grade manufacturing activities. We also have our Andelyn Plasmid Center, which is dedicated for the manufacturing of plasmids to support our clients through their research as well as clinical and commercial grade manufacturing. And then we've got our Andelyn Corporate Center, the home of our gene therapy commercial manufacturing.
We've had a grandmother call us that had a child with a devastating rare disease. She did identify a PI that had a potential treatment and called us up just out of the blue and said, "What can you do?" And we helped her. When we do these things, we do take it personal. And we invest all of ourselves into it. Whether that's a foundation, a single patient, or a large population. This is the last hope, and we understand that all too well.
I would say the impact done by the research is that you are going to give the biggest hope to parents of children with terminal illnesses or life-debilitating illnesses. It's incredible what Andelyn's going to do. I mean, I think we have done huge steps, but I'm thinking we're doing leaps going forward now. I can't wait for families like ours, what the possibilities will be for them. It's going to be incredible.